Olunaku lw'eggulo kkooti enkulu mu Kampala Margaret Mutoni yejjeereza Bobeka Kalungi abadde avunaanibwa ogw'okutta yali omusirikale wa poliisi ASP Muhammad Kirumira awamu ne yali mukwano gwe Resite Naalinnya Mbabazi ng'era omulamuzi mu kwejjeereza Kalungi yategeezezza nti obujulizi obwaleetebwa oludda oluwaabi bwalemereddwa okumatiza kkooti nti ddala Kalungi alina engeri gye yeenyigira mu by'okutta Kirumira nga n'ekyokuba nti yali yakkiriza omusango guno yakikola oluvannyuma lw'okuba nti yasooka kutulugunyizibwa.
Nothing of significance was adduced in court to prove beyond reasonable doubt that the subscribers or users of the numbers under investigations were Kalungi the accused and the one cartelling.
Ensala ya kkooti eno yalese abantu bangi naddala abafamire y'omugenzi Kirumira nga beebuuza ani ddala eyatta omuntu waabwe okuva lwekiri ng'abantu bonna abaali baakwatibwa baweddeyo nga bonna bejjeerezebwa. Ku nsonga eno Ssaabawabi wa Gavumenti Jane Francis Abodo ategeezezza nti oboolyawo poliisi yandibanga yalina ensobi ze yakola mu kunoonyereza ekintu nakyo kyeteeka ku bikozesebwa ebitamala.
Which means that calls for rigorous training for investigators, rigorous training for prosecutors, for even judicial officers. Because I'm telling you, even if we trained as investigators and prosecutors and we take very good cases to court, as long as the judicial officer doesn't understand the case, they will acquit. They will definitely acquit. That is why the training has to be across board. That's the challenge we have in CID. They're also grappling with numbers. So every time they are getting new people, they have to train them. And of course, you know that with the COVID-19 and all this, the budget for training has been scrapped.
Mu ngeri y'emu ono agambye nti n'abantu ba bulijjo tebakola kimala mu kuyambako kkooti ng'ewulira emisango nga gino okuyita mu kuwaayo obujulizi obubeera bwetaagisa ng'era enfunda nnyingi. Agamba nti bano bakwate okusobola okubatwala mu kkooti okuwa obujulizi.
Lost or won at investigations. As a prosecutor, I'll read a particular file and I know that I'm not going to struggle with this file, that I'm going to succeed in it. So at the very time that I am actually committing this case to court or starting the hearing of a case and starting to bring my witnesses, I will know that I will actually get a conviction or this is going to be an acquittal. But some of the time you find it is normally towards the end of the case. And of course the public, in their expectations, we also have expectations from them to come and testify and give good evidence in court according to what they saw. So if you also have witnesses who have, because we really don't have X-ray eyes to see that a particular witness is lying. If a particular witness gives very good statement and is really a very good witness, you see that this one is going to be my star witness. But when they come to court, they crumple. You see, they crumple, and then can you blame that on a prosecutor or an investigator? No, you don't.
Ku musango guno gw'okutta Kirumira agambye nti baakutuula basalewo kye bazzaako okulaba oba kibeetaagisa okujulira ku nnamula y'omulamuzi ey'eggulo.
Just mechanically appeal. We look at where we went wrong and we read the judgment, we look at what evidence we actually produced, and if we see that the judge made a mistake or a magistrate made a mistake, then we shall definitely appeal. And in this particular case, we are also going to do the same. We are going to scrutinize the file, look at the judgment and the sentence, and see whether we can appeal.